Hi and welcome back to another quick tutorial. It's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you how to split screen in VideoPad. I will add quickly two videos, for example this one, and now I will drag this dog video on top of this bird video. Very simple. Okay, position it like this. I will unlink from video this audio so I can delete the audio so it doesn't get in our way. And now to do this, select the bird video and go over here to FX, and over here try to find that says split screen. Okay, click it and make sure it's selected the A side. Okay, close it, and now select the dog video, go to FX and click again split screen and make sure it's on a B side. Now if I close it and I go to sequence preview, we can see the split screen. It's not perfect because not centered. Now select the dog and move the video on the right like this. And now it looks better. If you want to do that with bird, just drag the bird on top of the dog. For me, this is the fastest way. And now only move this over here. And over here now you have a perfect split screen video. And if you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.